Hello, it's Mike Kroger, Finale Inventory. This quick video we're going to show you how to install the Finale Inventory Barcode Scanner app on the Android OS or any device, and maybe you don't have access to the Play Store on that device. So it's probably running a enterprise version of Google Android. So this will be the manual way to install it when you do not have the Google Play Store. So let's show you how to do that. So first I'm going to bring up my Finale Inventory demo account here. So I'm logged in here into my demo account. If you have a trial account, this will be the same kind of screen you would see, or an existing account. So you may be wondering, how do I get my software on to my Android device? And let's imagine I don't have the Google Play Store button here. So this would be an example of how to get it. Okay, there's two ways. So first you need to know where to get the program. So the easiest way to do that is logged in here. I'm going to show you. You go to the barcode scanning link from the home screen, and on this barcode scanning link you'll see that there is an FAQ, and right here there's a link that says Android OS scanners. Download the Finale Inventory app. So when you click on this, we're going to take you to support.finaleinventory.com, and this website is a great website where you'll find all the helpful links. But you can see here on the screen where we've got a direct link, and this blue link right here that's highlighting is the link. So if you were to click on this, this would attempt to download it on your PC. You don't want to do that. Now there's also a scan me. Now this is what you can do on your device. So a couple of things. One, you could copy this link down, and then you'd have to type it on the Android device. That would be kind of painful. Two, you could one thing you can do here is open up Google on the Android device here. I'm going to type in support .finaleinventory and .com, just like that. When you do, you'll see it'll bring up the finaleinventory.com support website, and so you can navigate to the same article. So you can scroll this down and you can kind of find the one that says barcode here. So you'll see barcoding, and you'll see this exact same link here. So you don't want to go to the Windows Mobile. We'll go down here and you can see this little star right here, direct link for the Android OS. So you can click on that. So if you open up that article, you'll see that link, and then that's what you want to do, is you can click on the link now that you're on your device and not on your PC screen over here. So you would click on here. Now another trick is to use a QR code scanner software on your Android, and you could scan this QR code and it would download it. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to our Android device, and the link here that has the installation files on it is highlighted. So you need to click and hold on that, and it will open up a little dialog box on your Android device. And you want to choose the one that says download link. So I'm just going to click on that and wait for the little thing to pop up, and it'll say, you know, this file can cause harm to your device. You want to download it, and you say yes. So we definitely want to download this from Finale Inventory. So I say OK, and it's downloading. Now we need to get to where this got downloaded on your Android device. There's many different ways to achieve that. Some of these devices you can click up here on the very top menu bar, and when you click on this, and you can kind of pull it down, and you can see where the file has been downloaded. And you can see in my folder here, this notification, I could click on this and it would take me to the folder where it's downloaded here, and then it would ask me if I wish to install it. Okay, now another way to do this, I want to show this to you, is you could go back to your home button, and then I want you to go to maybe the button here, and you could go to the downloads folder. So there'll be a place there on your computer that would hold the downloads, and you would see that the file is here in the downloads, and then you would access it here too. So if you just click on this, then the Android OS will ask you if you want to do this. So this is where you say install. And this is going to be how you install the app without the Google Play Store. So as it comes up, we're going to walk through the steps once it gets installed, what you need to do next to use it. So after this gets done, we're going to, while we're waiting for that to get installed, I'm just going to jump back to our Finale inventory screen here and show you kind of the next steps. Okay, now that we got this installed, we can hit open, and now you'll be able to see the Finale Inventory Barcode Scanner app run on the Android device. And it fires up to the main menu. Now you're not done yet. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get this mobile app connected to your Finale Inventory account. So when you create a trial or when you have an existing subscription to Finale Inventory, you have a URL that is yours and yours only. Mine up here in this example is called Demo Barcode. I've kind of highlighted it here. So you need to know that information. So as you get, you'll need to know that that is your account name. The other thing you'll need is a username and a password to log into this account. It's the same username and the same password you use on the web to log into your Finale Inventory Cloud account. So let's do that. So the next thing you want to do is hit this sync button on the Android app. So we're going to hit sync, and it's going to ask us for an app name. So this is where I'm going to put in my Finale Inventory account name. All right, so I've highlighted it there in my URL, so it's going to be Demo Barcode. And as I enter that, it's going to ask me for a username and password. This is the same one that I use from the web. So my name is Mike in my Finale Inventory account, and then I'm going to type in my password. All right, so hopefully I get that right. And remember, everything is case sensitive. I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to proceed to try to log into my Finale Inventory Cloud account. And if I get this menu here, it says ready to sync, confirm. I hit sync. So that basically means I was successful. So you can see how I downloaded all my account's details to this app, and I'm ready to go. So to use this again in the future, remember, syncing is how you achieve updating the scanner with the latest information. So you notice if I hit the sync button again, it's going to ask me, are you still logged in? Are you still Mike? So I would hit yes if it's still me, or if I want to use a different name, I would hit no and log in with a different account. But if I hit yes, it's just going to try and sync again, and it's updated. It's that simple to use and download the Finale Inventory app to your Android device.